Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A table of figures is similar to a table of contents. In this case, any objects with captions are listed in a table of figures. They will be sorted by number and displayed in a list. To be able to create a table of figures, your document should contain captioned figures. However, you are also able to create a table of figures by using styles. We will first discuss creating a table of figures using captions. After you have captioned the objects in your document, you can place your cursor at the point in your document where you want your table of figures to appear. Then click the References tab in the ribbon. In the Captions button group, click the Insert Table of Figures button to open the Table of Figures dialog box and display the Table of Figures tab. The Print Preview and Web Preview sections will display how your table of figures will appear when printed or when viewed in a web browser. You can use the checkboxes and drop-downs in this dialog box to determine how your table of figures will look, just like when creating an index or a table of contents. If you select the From Template choice from the Formats drop-down, you can click the Modify button to open the Style dialog box and choose a new style for your table of figures if desired. Select a style to modify and then click the Modify button in the Style dialog box to open a dialog box where you can change the table of figures style. Make any changes you want and then click the OK button until you return to the Table of Figures dialog box. When you are finished, click the OK button in the Table of Figures dialog box to insert your table of figures into your document. To create a table of figures by using styles instead, first place your cursor where you want the table of figures inserted. Then open the Table of Figures dialog box as described at the beginning of the lesson. This time, click the Options button to open the Table of Figures Options dialog box. Check the Style checkbox and choose the style to use to make the table of figures from the drop-down to the right. Then click the OK button in the Table of Figures Options dialog box to return to the Table of Figures dialog box. Click the OK button to have Word list every object that has the chosen style applied in a table of figures. This is helpful if you have applied a specific style formatting to the names of the objects you want to list in your table of figures within the different sections of your document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.